Alright guys, this is another test with the Mercury Rise TR50 Torpedo Revolver. I'm going to do one more try before I drill it out for HPA, but I've got the restrictor drilled out to 2 millimeters, and I've got 1100 HPA hooked up with the stock barrel setup. I'm going to do this one more time with the aluminum balls before I drill it wide open. We got the aluminum balls. Got the 1100 psi tank. It just seems that everything I do, the CO2 is just not effective enough. Don't matter what I try, just not having any luck with CO2. But the one guy got he was getting around 17 joules, but the highest I can get was 15, and that's with all the drilling and even with the brass barrel I tried. Let's see what happens with this stock setup in HPA. It's not really stock. I got the restrictor drilled out from either 0.8 millimeters or 1 millimeter. I went to 1.5, no luck. Went to 2, no real differences. But now we're going to try the HPA on 2 millimeter opening. Alright, let's see what happens with this. I'm not even sure. Alright, we are gassed up. Don't know what to expect from this, but we'll try now. Shot number 1. Woohoo. Didn't like that at all. Alrighty, so it's not liking that small 2 millimeter hole, I guess. I don't know what's going on with this, but it's not looking very promising, guys. That was 1100 HPA. Let me just empty this out. Alright, there's only one more thing to test, guys, and that's to completely drill it out, but given that fluttering sound, I'm not liking the sound of that. I have a feeling it's going to screw this marker up. But anyways, guys, there you have it. Take care and stay safe.